stand-up bag manufacturer. Custom color printing. Supports digital printing, gravure printing, hot stamping, and other printing processes. Custom die-cut special shaped bags. 8-sided sealed square bottom bags, etc. according to needs. The bag has an easy tear opening, airtight zipper closure, and heat sealing double sealing design. Standing bottom design. Larger capacity. Higher-end products. Window design. Transparent windows or frosted windows can be customized according to needs. The surface can be optionally processed with matte surface treatment, glossy surface treatment, and other processes.